What in the heck is that sound? Been living here for 4 years, ain't never heard nothing like that. No, it's gone. What in the world? Hey, y'all, if y'all don't know Jesus, get to know him, because he wants to know you. He already knows you, and he loves you. He's just waiting for you to reach out. God bless.